This is AnduinOS, a Ubuntu-based Linux distribution that looks similar to Windows 11. I'll showcase the recently released version 2.0 on this video. These are the virtual machine specs. AnduinOS is a Linux distro that's based on Ubuntu. It uses a modified GNOME desktop environment that looks similar to Windows 11. This is what the main desktop looks like when it boots up. To install it, double-click on Install AnduinOS. Just like any other Ubuntu-based Linux, it comes with this very user-friendly installer. Set up your preferences, disk partitions, user account info, and that's it. You can set up custom partitions, or you can simply select Erase Disk and install AnduinOS to proceed automatically. When it finishes installing, it'll display this prompt. Now reboot, remove the install media, and it should boot from the hard drive. This is its resource usage. It uses around 1.7 to 1.8 gigabytes of RAM on idle, and around 11 gigabytes of disk space. These are all the applications that come with AnduinOS. You can use Software or Software Center to install more apps. The pre-installed web browser is Firefox. This is its resource usage when playing a YouTube video. AnduinOS comes with a limited set of themes and backgrounds, but it can be customized by using GNOME extensions, tweaks, and other tools. That's pretty much it for AnduinOS.